What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija, and on this channel we focus on hair, beauty, and lifestyle. If you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our community. In today's video, we are back with another tutorial, and today's wig is sponsored by Domiso here. And today we're featuring their 22-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. I received a wig cap. This is a wig for today. This is a 22-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig. This is it. It came pre-plucked, ready to wear. This is it. The density is 180%. If you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the install. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but the link for this here will be in my description. This unit is a 22-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig from Domiso here, and this is the vibes. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished cutting the excess lace off, and I did reapply some Got To Be Glue freezing spray around the hairline, but this is the vibes that we're getting. What I'm about to do now is to tie this down with a melting strap, let it dry, and then we finish styling our wig. But this is the vibes. I'm truly in love with this. This is the vibes. I'm just gonna tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish up our wig. Alright guys, so I am back and it's time to take this off. It's been like 15-20 minutes, and it's time to take this off and see if it's melted. And I'm not gonna lie, it is squeezing the life out of my ears. Ooh, listen, this is melted. I'm not gonna lie, it is melted. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but again, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link, make your purchase. This wig is a 22-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig from Domiso here, and it is laid. It is completely laid. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. All right guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. It is completely laid. This is it. And I must say, I'm loving it right now. It is given melted, it is given silky and volume. It's given bouncy. This is it. Overall, I really love the quality of this hair. Like, the way it shines is so silky and it has a lot of volume. I really do love it. It's given all natural and I'm in love with it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is where I leave you guys. This video was sponsored by Domiso here, and this unit is their 22-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig. This is the vibes. This is where I end the video for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.